Hello everyone, welcome in SK Commerce classes. 12th Commerce, Bookkeeping and Accountancy, Partnership Firm. What are the features of partnership firm? This is very important that we have to know what are the features of partnership firm. As per Partnership Act 1932, the features are explained as under. First of all, agreement. Second, number of partners. Third one, lawful business. Next, profit sharing ratio. Then, unlimited liability. Then, registration of partnership firm. Next, joint ownership and management. Next, principal and agent relation. And last one is dissolution. These are the features of partnership firm. We will learn in details all of these features. First of all, agreement. Partnership should have agreement in written or in oral form. But whenever it is in written form, it is called partnership deed. Second, number of partners. Minimum 2 persons are required in partnership firm. As per Company Act 2013, the maximum number of partners can be up to 50. Third point, lawful business. Partnership business should be lawful. The illegal business are not permitted by Partnership Act 1932. Then profit sharing ratio. All the partners should decide in what ratio they will share the profits or loss of the business conducted by them. If it is not mentioned, then the partner will share profits and losses in equal ratio. Unlimited liability. The liability of every partner is unlimited. It means when the business assets, partnership firm's assets are not sufficient to pay debts of the partnership firm, then each and every partner is liable to sell his own property for making the payments of business. It is called unlimited liability. Registration of partnership firm. The partnership firm's registration is not compulsory, but in the state of Maharashtra, it is compulsory, mandatory from 1st April 2005. Joint ownership and management. All the partners can take active part in management and all the partners are owner of the partnership firm. Each and every is liable for profit or losses or any decision taken by partnership firm. Principal and an agent. Each and every partner works in a partnership firm as a principal of another partner and as an agent of another partner. Dissolution. Partnership can dissolve anytime due to retirement of any partner, due to death of any partner, due to insane of any partner, or insolvency of any partner. The partnership business can be dissolved or partnership can be dissolved. Any partner can dissolve the partnership by giving 14 days notice to the other partners. Okay, dear students, if you understand, then subscribe my channel. You will notice there are so many videos available on this channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.